Hello friends, hope you are fine now. So today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Subscribe now ABS Tech channel. So let's get start the video. So I'm clicking on the Vechain. And let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies. Oh my gosh, what's gone? What's gone? It's a very low price. Every cryptocurrencies today going in the falls. As you can see now, the VeChain coins going in the falls down, negative 0.69 percentage going fall downs. Oh my god, it's very bad for VeChain holders. And here you can see the high rate of VeChain cryptocurrencies dollar 0.097388 are the high rate of VeChain cryptocurrencies. And here you can see the price of VeChain cryptocurrencies dollar 0.096363 and Bitcoin is equal to 0.0002 and very low, going very bad character as the VeChain going now at this time. And again I'm telling you, that is the live price prediction of last hour of 22 March 2021. That is the live price predictions. Again I am showing you the live price prediction of VeChain on the graph chart. As you can see, and 1 minute they are going up and 1 minute they are going down. As you can see now, what a game. And at the last minute they are going false continuously. As you can see here, they are going in the false. So please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of update videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.